Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Kung Pao Chicken. Skip the takeout and make this Chinese favorite at home. It's super easy. To start, you'll want to slice up a couple of bell peppers. I'm using one green and one red. And we're gonna cut these into a large dice so that you have little bite-sized pieces of bell pepper. Now to bring the pao to your Kung Pao chicken, you'll want to use some hot red chilies. If you can find dried red Chinese chilies, you can rehydrate those and use those, or you can grab really any red chili that you find in the store. Should be pretty hot. You just want to mince that up so it's nice and small, so you have the heat dispersed throughout the dish, and you can use as much or as little as you want to control that pao. Set those veggies aside and grab about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You'll want to dice the chicken up into bite-sized little cubes. You should end up with a nice little pile of bite-sized diced chicken. Now this does all cook up super fast, so you want to prep everything before you start cooking. The last thing to prep is our sauce. For the sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, which will act as a thickening agent. Then you'll whisk this all together. You'll also need 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of freshly minced ginger, and half a cup of roasted peanuts. Once you have everything ready, it's time to get cooking, and this goes by super fast, so pay attention. You can either use a large skillet, or today we're using a wok. Get 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil heating over high heat. Then we're gonna add in our diced chicken. We're gonna cook this until the chicken is seared, and in a wok, this will happen super fast. It'll really just need like 3 to 4 minutes maybe. Now once that's just starting to brown off, you can add in all of your peppers, and we'll saute those as well for just a few minutes. Then we'll pour in our sauce, get that cooking, and the cornstarch will cause that sauce to thicken up a little bit. Then we'll add in our garlic, our ginger, and our peanuts. And finish this off with just 1 to 2 minutes more of cooking. And that is it. This is so quick and easy to make. I'm gonna garnish with some sliced green onion, but you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.